Welcome everybody, we've changed rooms again. We're now at the Crystalbrook Bailey, fancy dancy. We're right down here on the water near the pier. And I'll tell you why we changed rooms, because the one we were previously in I did not do a review of, except for about a 30-second review where I just said, don't come here. Okay, so anyway, that was a terrible place. I'm not going to get into that, but we switched rooms to a place that looks like this. So this is the Crystalbrook Bailey. There's a Crystalbrook Flynn across the street, and there's at least one more Crystalbrook somewhere. Riley, I think it was called. So they've got 3 or 4 hotels down here. This one is ours, the one that's the weird 1970s green color. Very nicely done. The lobby is beautiful, and I'll get you shots of all that lobby and get you a room tour. We just checked in. We're a little early, so we're waiting for our room to get ready. But really nice exterior. The water is really literally right there where my finger is. That's the water. Hey guys, I'm gonna do the room tour now. I'll put in some scenes from the lobby and the outdoors and all that too. There's a few unique things about this room, but let me tell you where we're at. It's called the Crystalbrook Bailey. Crystalbrook Bailey. We're in Cairns, Australia. And this is our room for the next 8 nights. Nice thick towels. This is an, I think you can already see from the look of things, this is a, I don't want to say an upgraded room, but it's a nice hotel. Very nice, expensive. So we got lotions, cups, tissues, fancy toilet there. Hair dryer, and just a little bit of stuff. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Turn it all on here, and you can use the spray wand or stand under the rain shower head, which is going to be right there. So that's going to be nice. Okay, we have a little hallway here. A lot of glass, a lot of mirrors to make it look bigger than it is. Behind these sliding doors, it took a while to figure them out, but behind these sliding doors is a little mini fridge, some drawers, a little Nespresso machine. They provided a couple different strengths, some water, cups, and there is milk. In Australia, everywhere we've been in Australia, they give you a real milk. No artificial creamers and no powdered creamers so far in any place I've stayed in Australia. Isn't that something? These do slide like so. I know they're kind of weird, but anyway, there we go. So we got a couple robes, your irons. There's a thing to do your laundry bag there. I'm sure that's quite expensive. And then we'll come over here to the bed. I think this is a king. Should be a king. We'll wait for Leslie to do the bed test. So I'll check out this side while she's getting ready. Now, I want you to see this TV. I don't know what size that is. That's probably a 50, 55 inch. That's a big TV. Biggest we've seen in Australia. Here comes the bed test. Ooh, okay, not too bad. How is it?
It's soft, it's good.
Soft and good. That's what we want to hear. Check the pillows.
Oh, there's lots of pillows.
There are lots of pillows.
That's the good part.
Good pillows. Okay, and we have a dedicated workstation with a chair. That's always something I'm looking for because I do so many videos. USB charger built right in, which is nice, even though we have our own. Let's see, that's about it for that. We have a chair to sit in, a telephone, all kinds of buttons and switches and for the lights and to make them all do weird things. We do not have a balcony, but this was our view. That is the ocean you're seeing out there, some palm trees. The promenade, they call it. We were just out there walking a few minutes ago. You can get to the promenade in about 3 or 4 minutes. Just walk right out the front door. This hotel does have at least one restaurant in it, possibly 2. There's also a wine bar that serves steak and stuff like that. So now here's the unique thing. I said to you when I started that this place was unique. Well, they've gone to the extreme level of trying to eliminate plastic. So don't ask me how this works because I don't get it, but that is my door key. This tiny little sliver of nothing is my door key, made out of probably bamboo. And it's got to have an RF chip buried in the middle. I don't know how they did it. It's so thin. But, so they've gone to kind of to the extreme level. Even the thing that says clean the room is made out of wood, which I don't like because it bangs on the door every time you touch the door. I'll probably take that off. This thing, you just hold it up to the outside of the door and it turns green and it lets you in. There, I have my own air conditioning controls there. And I think that's it. That's the end of the tour. That's our Crystalbrook Bailey here in Cairns, Australia. We're going to be here for 8 nights. 8 nights. So we've got a lot of stuff planned and some more tours coming up. And then we're off to country number 8, which I still haven't told you where it is, but you'll figure it out. Country number 8 is coming up in 9 days. That is going to be pretty exciting. This is the 3rd floor outdoor area of our hotel. It includes a little snack bar kind of thing and a pretty small pool, but a little place to lounge around at. And we're right up here, right above the entrance you've seen where we came in. The water features going down the side, the glass elevator, and this little thing's called Pachamama. I don't think it's open right now, but you see these doors. So when it opens, you can order snacks and beer and alcohol, and which we were hoping to do because, surprisingly, when we came in, they gave us 2 free drink coupons, but we can't use them yet. So we'll come back up later this afternoon. Appears to be some sort of an outdoor seating area on the other side. We'll just walk away for a second. Oh, I see. Smoking lounge somewhere. Ah. Darling, if you must smoke, smoke here. That's what it says. Wow. Wonder if this goes all the way around. Nope, it ends over here. Oh, it's so nice with the sun shining over here. What a nice area. This is a really nice hotel, guys. I highly recommend this thing. It's not cheap, but this is one of those deals where you absolutely get what you pay for. This is the lobby area of Crystalbrook, cut. This is the lobby area of Crystalbrook Bailey. This is a very interesting entrance here because a good portion of it is outdoors. So yeah, this is the street right there. And so I'm still outside, and I'm still outside. It's just got a roof over my head, but we're open. Yeah, we got a waterfall on each side of this glass elevator, and the reception is right there. So it's just kind of cool. It's kind of open air feel to it. Some bicycles to rent or borrow, I guess. Little sitting area. They do tours here, and then there's a big old restaurant over there called Arte or something. And anyway, that is the lobby.